that to life, kid. You can't win them all. At the end of the day, it's about survival. Now you take a guy. He's caught up in a system, but he thinks he can break that system. Systems will break him. Now here we got such a schmuck. A schmuck who thought he could outplay the system of which he is a part. Take a good look at him, Jason. I want you to look at him. What this guy forgot is that I own this town, and I am the system. So you know what happens, Jason? Do you know what happens? Those who work with me, those who understand the system, they get taken care of, Jason. Do you understand what I'm saying? You, down, in the fourth.
So, I guess this is the part where I thank you and ask your name and stuff.
No, this is the part where you take this gun and shoot at the assholes behind us while I drive. Rodeo, is it?
My brothers and I used to shoot at dock rats back in Southie.
Right, well, looks like we've got more rats on our tail. It's Karen, by the way.
Huh?
My name, Karen.
Ah, and you work for Miss Montello?
I'm her accountant, among other things. Man, these pricks are after you. What did you do?
I won a fight I wasn't supposed to win.
That was you?
I didn't mean to knock the bastard out. He just went down.
Barricade up ahead. Shoot at it! Shoot at it!